Okay, so this is going to be a really quick video. It should only take about 3-4 minutes. So this is essentially what we covered in class. Alright, you don't need to actually know how to calculate the standard deviation, but if I give you the standard deviation, you have to understand how you can use it. So in this case, this is all you need to know, is that you have this and say this is the mean. The only time you use standard deviation is when it's approximately normal. Okay? When it's approximately normal, you want to use standard deviation. If it's not, you want to use IQR, right? By IQR, that means you make a median box plot and you can capture the middle 50%. Now what standard deviation is if I go one standard deviation to the right and one standard deviation to the left of the mean, right? As you can see from all these arrows out here, then you will capture 2/3, just about 2/3 of the middle. For example, if I said I'm going to take the money in people's wallets, and I said, okay, I checked everybody's monies in the wallet, and the mean was 50, it was about normal, and the standard deviation was 15. Then that tells me that this right here on the right is 50 plus 15, which is 65. Okay, so on the right is 65, on the left it's going to be 50 minus the standard deviation, so that's 35. Alright, so you can say that 2/3 of the people have between $35 and $65 in their wallet. So this is the question I leave you with, is this. And this is how short this video is, and this is essentially what you need to know. Is this is the question you need to answer, is if I had 300 people, if I had 300 people, how many people would have between 35 and 65? Okay, keeping in mind that you have the mean and you have standard deviation to the left and to the right. What fraction of people will be between 35 to 65? And if I tell you there's 300 people, how many people are in there? Okay, so that's essentially the main thing with standard deviation. Standard deviation, you can only do it with normal distributions. Anything that's not normal, you want to stick with IQR and median box plots. Okay, so this is the main concept of today. Quick video on your homework paper. Just write on the back, right here, just write the answer to the question. So the question was, how many people in this example are from 35 to 65? Okay, and that's it. Bye-bye. Where did my mouse cursor go?